I'm Ruchita Sharma and I'm the Student Life Officer at University of Wollongong in Dubai, and I'm glad that I was able to collaborate with Kfi Global, and they were the one who run the literacy program in collaboration with Dubai Islamic Bank. And the feedback which I got from the student was Marilyn was able to give them daily examples from their day-to-day life, and they could make an informative decision when it comes to their money. So I'm really happy that I was able to collaborate again with Kfi Global. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aisha and I'm a second-year finance major here at Uowd. And I believe that every young adult needs to have at least basic knowledge about personal financing. So the Kfi Global program has made it really easy for us to understand it in simple terms, so the whole aspect doesn't seem so big and scary. Miss Marilyn was very enthusiastic, which helped us stay engaged within the session. So I would definitely recommend this to any young adult who is looking to explore more into this.
My name is Alan. I'm a first-year finance major in Uowd. I was very intrigued by the course because it was talking about money management, and I was intrigued to see what it was about. First thing was the session was first talks about simple, not easy. It really lives up to its name. That it's things we know, but it gave us a bigger and broader picture of everything. So it was really helpful. I would recommend this to anyone. And I would like to thank Kfi Global and Dubai Islamic Bank.
Hi, my name is Chandni and I'm a first-year accountancy student at Uowd, and I attended the Kfi Global program today. And initially I came here because I'm an accountancy student and I wanted to know more about finance, but after coming here I've realized that it's forced me to think so much more about personal finance, and I would 100% recommend this to any other university student like me who might be starting out. And just to say, I'm a person who does not have a very high attention span, but I genuinely feel every single second that I've attended here, I've not missed a single line. So once again, thank you to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this, and thank you to Kfi Global program.
Hi, my name is Josh and I'm a first-year finance major here at Uowd. So I really enjoyed Kfi Global's financial program because it made me realize a lot of financial, especially when it comes to your personal assets and stuff. What I also like to commend is how creative the content is and how interactive the session was. So I wasn't basically sitting down, my brain was working while I was listening.
Hi, I'm a finance student in Uowd Dubai, and generally coming from a person that does not like to sit through huge talks with a lot of information, generally I felt that each and every single information that we received today was so informative and interesting. Special thanks to Mrs. Pinto that made it interactive, that I could be able to sit through all this information, because not only will I need this information right now, but also when I grow up as young adults, such information about banking, finance, all these things considered very important, especially in the growing world. And I would like to thank the Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this program.
Hi, my name is Ayush. I'm a second-year finance major in Uowd, and I attended the Kfi Global program, and I found it very enjoyable. Miss Pinto was a great teacher, and she's very engaging with the class. Everyone had a great time. I am a finance major, and we learn usually how to manage corporations' money, but this was a very good insight into how to manage our personal finances. And we had lots of exercises that really gave us a small glimpse into how it would be like to manage our finances into our adulthood as well. So that was very useful.